Hello all. In this video we are going to see registers used to control general purpose input output operation. Actually there are 5 fast, also called as enhanced general purpose input output features registers, and 4 slow, also called legacy general input output register. This GPIO register available to control the port 0 and port 1. The slow register allow backward compatibility with earlier family devices using existing code. So here we are going to see 4 slow general purpose input output register, that are input output pin, input output direction, input output set, and the clear. So first is the input output pin, general purpose input output port pin value register. This register is used for both reading and writing the data to and from the port. Then second, input output direction register, control register. This register individually controls the direction of each port pin. Means if you want that pin, you have to set as a input, you can set IO dir as a 0. If you want to set that pin as output, then set the value of IO dir is equal to 1. So that pin will act as an input or output. Then IO set port register. This register is used to control the state of the output pins. State of the output pins. If that value is 0, that indicates there is no effect on output pin. But if that value is 1, this set the high on that particular output pin. Then port output clear register. This register controls the state of the output pin. Again, if this value is 0, there is no effect. But if you keep this value of IO clear pin is equal to 1, the set the low on a pin. So here we are going to see some examples. Configuring pin as a input and output. How we configure that? There are different methods. So we are going to see that one method 1. So IO 0 DIR, this indicates the input output of port 0, and this indicates the pin number 3. And this direction assignment method, where binary value is set directly on that pin. So binary value of pin number 3 of port number 0 is set as a 1, and all other pins are set 0, and this method should be avoided as a value directly being assigned in register, while pin number 3 of port 0 is assigned 1, and all other pins are forced to be assigned as a 0. Means what? Here IO direction, that pin we set as a 1, means what? That pin we have selected as a output. Pin number 3 of port 0 we have selected as a output. Then second method, using hexadecimal number display, we can able to represent these pins also. So hexadecimal, here you can see the 8. So value of the hexadecimal 8 in a binary is 1000. So this is the pin number 1, 0. This is pin number 1, 2, and this is the pin number 3. So we have set this pin number 3 of port 0 as a output. This is the second method. In this way we can able to assign the pins. In the third method, this is similar to the first method, except that only the single pin is affected. Then we are going to see here some example, considering that we want to configure pin number 11 of port 0 as output, and that drive it as a high, means logic 1. So how we can able to represent that? Using this syntax, that input output 0 direction means pin number, port number 0, pin number 11 we set as a output, and then IO 0 set means pin number, port number 0, pin number 11 we set as a 1, means that make output high for port 0, pin number 11. Then second condition, making the port number 0, pin number 15 output, and we will make that firstly high, and then we will make that a low. So in the first this condition, that pin number 15 of port 0 is output pin is configured. Then second, we make that same pin becomes high, and then using this IO0 clear, we make this pin become low. Then these are the some same configurations, okay, but only here two pins we have used for the configurations, that is pin number 10 of port 0, pin number 15 of port 0 we configured as output, and then we have made that pins high. Here again there are first 16 pins of port 0 we have made or configured as output, and then make them high. So how we have configured that? Using the hexadecimal display. So F means these, all the F indicates value. If you written in a binary, that 111 till this, and these are indicates the from pin number 0 of port 0 to pin number 15 of port 0, and that will all the pins we will make output and then set them as a high. Thank you. So these are the some examples for the pin configurations.